God is telling you that your current situation can be unpredictable and challenging. However, don't really give up. Your trust in me is the thing that makes a difference in your life. I already have made arrangements for the times to be in your favor, in the time that is about to come. I've actually heard what you've prayed for. I am conscious of your sorrow and agony. I absolutely get your feeling of exhaustion, anxiety, and worry about just how things are going to turn out. God is telling you today, fully trust and believe me, my dear kid, and He means it. I will definitely assist you in getting through this difficult period. What is damaged will be fixed by me. I'll give you more courage. Rest with me,